There is still no consensus on the temporary lifting of patents on COVID-19 vaccines. The idea is to be able to accelerate global production in order to fight the pandemic, which continues to take its toll. Laboratories are generally opposed to this because it would deprive them of a return on their costly investments. This measure has been demanded for months at the World Trade Organization by many countries, such as India and South Africa.
My job is to make sure that I bring members together to actually sit down and negotiate text that would lead to a pragmatic solution that assures access to developing countries to deal with the vaccine inequity, whilst at the same time making sure we don't disincentivize research and innovation. So that's where we are. The recent pronouncements by the US and so on, I'm sure will give an impetus to the negotiations.
While France has rallied to the U.S. position, Germany has strong reservations and believes that patents should continue to be protected because they are a source of innovation and should remain so in the future. On the other hand, Russia has said it is in favor of this measure and is looking into the possibility. We hear Europe's idea to completely remove patent protection from COVID-19 vaccines. This is in line with WTO rules, which provide for such measures in emergency situations. A pandemic is an emergency. Therefore, I ask the Minister of Social Policy to work on it, unconditionally. Russia will support such an approach. For the German laboratory BioNTech, patents are not the limiting factor in the production and supply of vaccines. It believes such a measure would have no effect in the short and medium term, as it usually takes a year to set up and validate new production sites.